desiblitz.com.
I'm playing the character of Wasim, who basically belongs to Pakistan, and he has came back. And he is a very sharp and shrewd guy. There's a dialogue for him when there's his introduction scene when the other character says, if there is death or him, so you should choose death instead of this guy because he's like a mess. But at the same time, this guy has an emotional journey. He was desperate to get citizenship here, and he got married to a girl, and that was just a contractual marriage to get the citizenship. But later on, he falls in love with his wife, but wife is not in love with him because she knew that he married me just for his greed. Somewhere there's a guilt inside him. He wants to make the things right, but it's not happening. And at the same time, then there's another character who Joanna is playing, an Italian woman who is his boss. He drives her to when she has to go to meet her family. She has her story. So these people have a connection whenever he's driving her. So both of them tell to each other their their story and how they're feeling about their personal life. So I think on the wider sense, this thing, it is more about how. In search of better future, people from Asian countries or African countries, the second or third world, which we say, how in search of that better future, we lose our present. So that is the wider idea of the film.
Georgia. Sorry.
You know why you're alone in your life? Because you're heartless.
As an actor, when we get a character, the first thing is when we read the script, and then personally I try to work on my observations. Like if I have seen such kind of character somewhere in my life, it becomes very easy for me to just copy the body language and of that character. Like if I'm playing a Pakistani cab driver, I would go and see how the cab drivers behave and how they feel, and I would like to talk to them, and I talked to a couple of them. Of course, quality is more important and quantity does not matter, because if you make 10 films which don't work for audience, and then you're nowhere. And if you make one film with quality, it can change your life. What we are doing is, like, we started with one film and with Identity Card in 2012, and it released in 2014. It won many awards, like started winning awards from San Francisco, and then it went on to different festivals, and including the European Parliament where it was shown. So then we made another film, Mantostan, which we sold to Netflix. So after that, during this process, we kept on traveling to different festivals in different countries and kept meeting like-minded people. When people see, they think that we are making 10 films, but it's not like that. There's been a preparation of like 3 years, 4 years, but all the films are now coming all together because we have been working on the script since long, and there are different directors. I, as a producer, I'm more concerned about the script. Like when script comes, so I am quite involved in the script, unless the script is like complete and casting is complete. Then when it goes to the floor, then there's no work for me. So then I can work on another script with the other director.
आप ना घर में टीवी लगा लो. ये रेडियो पुराना हो गया. अब टीवी पे ना खबरें दिखती भी हैं. फ़लस्तीन देखो, इजराइल देखो, पूरी दुनिया देख सकते हो आप टीवी पे.
कह रहा था तेरा ये दोस्त हमीदा, टीवी ला दो.
We are all very open-minded people, and that's the reason this group is like of a selected peoples who are open-minded, who don't have those ego problems, and we are all for the films, like for the betterment of film. So we never had a creative issue I don't even come on the set to see what Pradyuman is shooting, because we have to have that trust on the director. If we are trusting somebody to direct a film, so we'll have to give the reins in his hands. So, but yeah, like once he shoots, and at night or next day we see that footage, and if we discuss mutually, if something is left, we can do this. So it's all a team effort.
मेरे पास तुम्हारे इन सवालों का कोई जवाब नहीं।
जवाब नहीं है।
तुम जाओ यहाँ से।
मैं नहीं जाऊंगी।
We are all passionate filmmakers. Like before starting my company, I used to work for others. I was never satisfied as a filmmaker. I used to get some money and shoot a film, and then the results were same. I belong to a respectable family from Kashmir, so I thought if I have to just make films to make some money for my survival, then it's better I should go back home and live a respectable life. But why I came to Mumbai from a paradise like Kashmir? When you step out of Kashmir and you go anywhere, you don't find that place, that warmth and that beauty around. And for a creative person, such places like nowhere in the world. So we had to I have to sacrifice that living in the mountains and such a beautiful life just for my passions. I always tell to my friends and my colleagues, my family, that there's a difference between a boss and a leader. If you think that you're a boss, then you work only for yourself. And people don't work for you, they just work for their means. But if you are a leader, everybody will be ready to even die for you.
जब तक मैं तुम्हें मीरपुर नहीं ले जाऊंगा ना, मेरा प्यार भारत की तरह उदार रहेगा। बस ये सूत ना ले डूबे। अल्लाह हाफिज।
अल्लाह हाफिज।
Pahari is my mother tongue, and I have always been connected to that language. We made this film Lions. The film is based on India-Pakistan border and that Pahari belt, which nobody has ever captured in Indian side. Pakistan side, I don't know, but it's a virgin culture, virgin locations. But the language of the film is not entirely Pahari. It is Urdu, Hindi and Pahari mix. But yes, definitely I want to make a film, Pahari film, on an international standard, and definitely will make very soon. And when we'll come to London and open the film in London and UK, and then we'll take it to rest of the world.